Welcome to the Stay Safe tutorials. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the Flowtify Audit app to conduct audits. Open the Flowtify Audit app on your mobile device, log in with your username and password, and tap on the audit you want to conduct. When selecting the audit, you will see an overview of all chapters. We recommend to split the auditing process among different auditors. Just match the chapter with the position in your hotel. Operations Manager, Chapter 1. Facility Manager, Chapter 2 and 8. Housekeeping will do the rooms, and so on. Most questions are very easy to answer by typical yes or no, or taking a mandatory picture, or by selecting not applicable. If you enter no, it usually makes sense to leave additional information either for internal reasons or for the person in charge to fix the problem. To do so, tap on the paperclip icon to open your options. If you want to take a picture to show the problem, tap on the camera icon in the middle. When tapping on the icon on the right, you can leave instructions for the person in charge. Why not trying to use the microphone function on your mobile device? Siri and her colleagues will take care of the rest. The icon on the left is for leaving internal notes that are not meant to be seen by others but your auditing team. By the way, you can use the paperclip icon whenever you want to document something, regardless of the result of a task. To navigate between chapters, you have two options. Tapping on the chapter title on the top of the screen to get to the overview of all chapters, or move forward or backwards chapter by chapter with the blue and black arrow buttons on the bottom. When you are done with the entire self-assessment, go to the last chapter and tap on the arrow on blue background. This will move you to the audit finish section. In case there should still be open questions, you will be sent to the appropriate chapter. Now that you have finished your audit, you will see your preliminary results. Tap on Close without debriefing and then on Add Auditor Signature to enter the auditor's name and position before signing on the device. Next, you need to tap on Send to Post Audit Work. Once you have accepted to finish the audit by tapping on Yes, you will no longer be able to do any changes on your audit. With the back arrow on the bottom, you will go back to the audit overview. When the next audit is ready to be conducted, you will get a notification. To see audit report and the deficit list, please go to the web dashboard.